patient exchanges. No brilliant performance from this Wolmer's team.
I don't want to put any extra pressure on them. Talking about sub-43s and whatnot, the record here at the Gibson McCook relay is 41.83. That's not going to be touched for a long, long time. That was a Calabar team that had Christopher Joe Russell and Michael Stevens. I think Brandon Heath might have been on that team as well. Just a super side.
We're getting rest for boys, 4x100 meters. From lane 1 through to 8, we have got Campion College, Excelsior, Herbert Morrison, St. Jago, Wolmer's, Kingston College, Jamaica College, and Calabar. The record 44.38 seconds.
KC start favorites here. They could get their first win in the series of 4x1s.
The corporate area champions they are. The records set then. Sent on the way now. The first time of asking. Calabar up there, JC. Kingston College in the mix as well. So too Wolmer's. Behind them we find St. Jago on the first handover. Kingston College, JC, Calabar, those three moving fluidly down the backstretch. Add Wolmer's to that now. St. Jago behind them. The others have some catching up to do at this stage. On the penultimate handover, it's JC forging just ahead of Calabar. Kingston College dangerously poised to land a blow at this stage. St. Jago and Wolmer's are trying to play catch up now. Final handover has Jamaica College out front from Calabar. JC on top, but not by any stretch of the imagination. They're in the comfort zone. JC on the outside. Kingston College nibbling at their heels. JC digs deeper and squeezes out the victory. College, Calabar back in third. 44.90. The flash time.
The changes let Kingston College down. Wasn't a very good first change. And Kellen Harris, their fastest man down the back straight away, showed his speed, but the 4x100 is all about the quality of the baton changing. You've got to keep that baton moving quickly, and I don't think Kingston College did that well enough in this race. It allowed Jamaica College the opportunity, and they have enough speed with Jaden White, quality 400 man on the anchor leg, taking them home.
Officially for JC, 44.91 seconds, landing the class 4 boys 4x100 meters. The team there, Nathan Neil Hares, Antoine Miller, and Jaden Maurice White. As we take a look once again.
Clean exchange here for Jamaica College and Kingston College in third here. Calabar and Jamaica College out in front. And into this second exchange, it's JC with the advantage. Nice exchange as well. And King on this third leg with Jamar Jones trying to make a comeback on Jamaica College, but it is Jamaica College who maintains the lead. And here we see the challenge, Weatherburn from Kingston College, Weatherburn and White, and it's White for Jamaica College who pulls away.
Yeah, so Edward Allen dominated on the girls' 3 of the 4 4x100 relays, with St. Jago winning the other. On the boys' side, as was expected, honors shared. Excelsior winning class 1, Calabar winning in class 2, Wolmer's taking class 3, and now Jamaica College taking class 4.
Yeah, we don't see that dominance on the boys' side. It's a lot more competitive here. And, well, I haven't seen Kingston College not winning one of these titles in a long time.
Yeah, that's true. Definitely thought their best chance was going to be in class 4 if they didn't win class 2, where I thought they also had a chance because they've been the top team at class 2-4. But I also felt that the class 2 event was going to be so competitive that it could go either way, and it was Calabar who got it today. So